Today, we'll explore 13 powerful OSINT tools savvy hackers are using in 2026. OSINT stands for Open Source Intelligence. It's publicly available information used for gathering intelligence. Knowing about these tools can help you stay informed and protected. Let's dive into these tools step by step. First, we have Maltego. This tool helps visualize relationships. It uncovers data connections in a clear format. Next up is recon-ng. It's a web reconnaissance framework. Users can automate data gathering from various sources. Third is Shodan. This search engine locates devices connected to the internet. It helps attackers find vulnerable systems. Fourth on the list is the Harvester. This tool collects emails and subdomains. It's a great starting point for many hackers. Fifth, we have metaguful. It extracts metadata from documents. Hackers can reveal sensitive file information through this tool. At number 6, we find Spiderfoot. This tool automates OSINT gathering. It scans for information like domain data and IP addresses. Seventh is Social Engineer Toolkit (SET). This tool specializes in social engineering attacks. It helps hackers craft deceptive campaigns. The eighth tool is People. It scours the web for person-based information. Hackers use it for finding individuals and their data. Ninth is OSINT Framework. It organizes various OSINT tools. Users can easily navigate through different data sources. 10th, we have Senses. Similar to Shodan, Senses helps find devices online. It focuses on certificates and security protocols. The 11th tool is Email Recon. This aid helps gather email account data. It helps uncover associated accounts and usernames. Next is DNS Dumpster. This tool analyzes DNS records. It reveals valuable domain and network information. Finally, we have Whois. This tool provides domain registration details. It's crucial for identifying domain owners. Remember, knowledge is power. Understanding these tools helps you protect yourself against hackers. Let's quickly recap. We explored 13 OSINT tools today, from Maltego to Whois. Each tool has its unique purpose for gathering information. Staying informed about these tools can help enhance your security. So, what's next? Consider exploring these tools further. Protect your data and privacy in this digital age. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. Have you ever wondered how hackers find sensitive today? We'll explore 13 powerful OSINT tools savvy hackers are using in 2026. OSINT stands for Open Source Intelligence, which is publicly available information used for gathering intelligence. Knowing about these tools can help you stay informed and protected. First is Maltego, a tool that visualizes relationships and data connections clearly. Next is recon-ng, a web reconnaissance framework that automates data gathering from various sources. Third is Shodan, a search engine that locates internet-connected devices, helping attackers find vulnerable systems. Fourth, we have the Harvester, which collects emails and subdomains, making it a great starting point for hackers. Fifth is metaguful, a tool that extracts metadata from documents, uncovering sensitive file information. Sixth is Spiderfoot, which automates OSINT gathering, scanning for information like domain data and IP addresses. Seventh is the Social Engineer Toolkit (SET), specialized in social engineering attacks to help hackers craft deceptive campaigns. Eighth is People, a tool that scours the web for personal information, used by hackers to find individuals' data. Ninth is the OSINT framework, which organizes various OSINT tools for easier navigation through data sources. 10th is Senses, similar to Shodan, finding online devices with a focus on certificates and security protocols. 11th is Email Recon, aiding in gathering email account data to uncover associated accounts and usernames. Next is DNS Dumpster, analyzing DNS records to reveal valuable domain and network information. Finally, whois provides domain registration details, crucial for identifying domain owners. Understanding these tools is essential for protecting yourself against hackers. We explored 13 OSINT tools today, from Maltego to whois, each serving a unique purpose for gathering information. Staying informed